Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start off with my Nars Luminous foundation. I already moisturized and primed my skin, so you're not gonna see me do that. I know this foundation may not look like my shades, but believe me, when it comes to summer, my skin gets darker. When it comes to winter, it gets lighter. So it would definitely cost me a fortune just to keep up. So today, we're gonna let this one work. To blend my foundation out, I'm using a wet beauty sponge. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Tarte Concealer. So the concealer is basically gonna highlight any part of your face that you want to look brighter. I'm gonna use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my concealer, so I'm just getting it ready. Now I'm using the same damp sponge to blend out my concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my setting powder using that same sponge. And I'm basically pushing it into my skin to make sure my makeup will last all day. Now I'm placing some under my eye and I'm gonna leave it there for a while because for pictures I like my under eyes to look bright. Now using my Morphe contour powder, I'm gonna apply some as a eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette has no name on it because it's a product that I'm trying out because I wanted to see if it's something that I want to launch. The colors are very nice, however, I feel like they weren't as pigmented as I would like them to be. Here I'm pointing on the colors that I'm going to be using, so just watch carefully. So I'm starting off with the darkest purple, that's the one that was sitting on top. And I'm applying it to my crease and blending it outward and upward. Now I'm applying the darker purple. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using this ABH eye primer. I would have made this part a little bit longer, but I didn't realize that the camera was focusing on the mirror I'm holding in my hand and not my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some color on it. I'm adding two different shades of pink, and then the last color that I'm gonna apply to my inner crease is gonna be like a whitish color, or silver if you may. So the darker shade of pink I'm gonna put on the outer corner, and the lighter shade I'm gonna put in the middle, and then the silver color I'm gonna put on the inner crease. After I was finished adding the pink shadows, I went back in with the dark purple and add some more towards the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going over my face and adding some bronzer just to bring back some color and, bring out my cheekbones, stuff like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add blush on my cheeks. I went ahead and add some setting spray and some lipstick off camera. I couldn't decide what lipstick I wanted to wear, so that's the reason why I didn't do it on camera. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope y'all like it. I am so happy with the colors I chose, and I have to tell you guys about the palette that I use. I ended up using another palette while I was doing it because the one I had wasn't as pigmented as I would want it to be. But the palette that I end up using, I want to use it in another video all by itself, so that's the reason why I didn't show it to you guys in this video, so I do apologize for that. Anyway, I hope you guys like this look. Let me know down in the comment if this is something that you guys would try. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!